If you've ever copied someone's homework or followed a cooking recipe, you already know how to do this. We send you numbers. You copy and paste them into the app. That's it. You're not trading, you're following. And you're going to be great at this because you're the kind of person who follows clear instructions and gets things done.
First, you want to go to MT4 on the Google Play Store or the App Store and download MT4 or MetaTrader 4. After you download it, open it up. It's going to ask you, do you want notifications? Say allow. And here, press accept. And here, push cancel. And then where it says log in, go to log in existing account. And then at the top, you pick your broker. So Coinexx. And then you go to Coinexx Live. And this is where you put your information from the first video, your account information. Next, we have to add gold. So click the plus at the top right and type in XAUUSD. And then click the green button to the left. And then you'll see XAUUSD. Perfect. That's the only one that we trade. This button right here shows the pair or what we're going to trade. This button shows your open trades and your balance. And this button shows your history of all your trades. Super easy, right? Now I'm going to show you live how to take your first trade. So bing, you get an alert. The first thing you do is open up your MT4. And then you click on XAUUSD and then click trade. And where it says market execution, I will show you the number to put there. It's super easy. Under 100, put 0.01. 100 to 299, put 0.01 to 0.02. And so on, easy. And it gets even easier. This is a money alert and it tells you exactly what to do. In this money alert, it tells you to do what? Sell gold. Super easy. Next, it tells you have to check the price. You always want to make sure the price is between these two numbers. And these are called take profit. You either want to make fast, quick money or you want to make more money. It's always up to you. Let's pick quick money this time. Now let's go to NT4 and I'll show you what to put. So look at market execution and make sure you put the right number. I put 0.03 because that's what most people use. Now we have to do the most important part. Check the price. This price says this. Then we go back to MT4 and check, is the current price between our money alert price? Yes, and then click sale. And that's it, you just took your first trade. But we're not done yet. Click on the trade and click modify. Now we got to put in our stop loss and our take profit. Now go back to the group. Let's pick our take profit. Today we're going to pick quick money. So copy quick money and paste it in the take profit place. Super easy. Next, we got to figure out our stop loss or protection. So you copy the number right by stop or SL. And then scroll to the top and paste it. And that's it. And after that, just click modify. And now you're officially done with your first trade. Congratulations. So when it says quick money hit, that means you made money. So you go back to your MT4 and then you click on history and it shows you how much money we made. Next, I'm going to show you how to make bigger money. So just like last time, you get an alert. This time, this alert says buy go and you have to check the between price. Then you go back to MT4, you click quotes, you click XAUUSD and then click trade. And now you see the price. Make sure you go back and check the price. You go to market execution and you put in how much you're supposed to put. Remember, always check that. And if everything checks out, tap buy. And then you took your trade. And now we have to modify and put our stop loss and our take profit. So you go back, you go to bigger money and you copy that number right there. And then you go back to your MT4, you click the trade, click on modify. And then where it says take profit, you paste that number you just copy from the group. So copy, paste. And then that's done. Next we've had to find the stop loss. So you copy the stop loss from the group. Then you go back. And then you paste it where it says stop loss. It's truly that easy. Paste and then click modify. It's really that easy, so now we just wait. Quick Money already made their money, so now you're just waiting for yours. So you go to where it says bigger money and copy that stop loss. And then you go to your MT4, click on your trade like normal and then click modify. And where it says stop loss, you paste that number from the group. This protects your money alert from losing money. So you click modify and then you just wait until you make your money. Next, you're going to get an alert that says bigger money hit. That means that alert made money. So you go back to your MT4 and then you go to history and you check how much money you made. Super easy. Now you understand why we want easiest side hustle of the year.
And that's how you take a money alert. Super simple, right? Now just remember, some alerts win, some don't. But over time, we make money. We've got a real track record and over 1,500 paying members in the group right now who are doing this with you. This isn't luck, it's a system based on proven results. We always use a safety limit to protect you so the small losses don't hurt and the wins can build up. If you're new, start with a practice account, get the feel for it, then switch to real money when you're ready. And most important, if you ever have a question, message us on Telegram. Seriously, don't be shy. We pay a full team just to help you, answer questions fast, and make sure you're making as much money as possible. We're here for you. Let's grow together.